Hello document creators. In today's video, we will explore how to delete unwanted pages in Google Docs. Whether you're dealing with random blank pages or need to shorten your document, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. 1. Open your Google Docs document, launch Google Docs in your web browser, sign in if you aren't already. 2. Locate the page you want to delete, scroll through your document to find the page you want to remove. It could be the last page or somewhere else within the document. 3. Highlight any content on the page, click and drag your cursor to select the text on the page. If the page is blank, try highlighting it anyway. Sometimes blank spaces get left at the end of a document. If there's nothing to highlight, blank final page, simply place your cursor on the first line of that page. 4. Delete the text, press the backspace or delete key on your keyboard. If you're removing a page in the middle of the document, the remaining text will shift up, adjusting the page count. If you had removed a blank page at the end, the page count will decrease by 1. Note, if you want to keep the text from the deleted page, cut it, Ctrl X on Windows or Command X on Mac, and paste it elsewhere, and there you have it. You've successfully trimmed your document by deleting unwanted pages in Google Docs. Happy editing!